Alright, here we are. We got the heated tub and shower repair kit. It's very complete. It has two-part epoxy, mixing plate, spatula, mixer, tape, sandpaper. Got everything but your cleaning. And I use just some nice wipes for that. So we got some cracks right here, here. It's like a big one where it goes in. You can see it. See some more stress hairline fractures here and there. So we got some here, all cracked. I think that's it that I can see right there in the middle. So what we're gonna do, just gonna sand. I already cleaned it first clean, but wipe. But I'm gonna use the sandpaper and kind of etch it to get it ready for the epoxy. Get some of that gloss off of there, and then we know exactly where it's at as well. The sandpaper they provide is perfect grit and everything for this project. Yeah, there it is. Let's get all that sanded right there. Alright, so that's the places that I see. Maybe there's one here too. Yeah. Alright. We got that sanded. We're going to take our wipe and just get that up now. That debris up. Make sure it's clean. Wipes are great for all that, collecting all that dust. Alright. Okay, so we got our part A, part B. We're going to go and mix that up. And just use it all. So that way we get an equal amount for sure without any doubt. Okay, A, or B, part A is the lighter one. I also put a trash bag down just to catch anything so we don't get nothing on the floor. Okay, good enough. Alright, let's mix them up. Like so, just right on top of that there. That's why I put that trash bag down, because that little plate they give you to mix in is not enough to hold it all on there. Okay. Great. Alright, now we're ready to roll. Change gloves as always. I always change gloves when I mix and apply. Alright, let's grab us some of this epoxy. Make sure it's smooth. Great. There it is. Alright, so now we're going to just start filling those cracks in, smooth them out. This one's pretty deep, so I want to make sure I get it in that crack too. There we go. There. there. All right, perfect. Okay. So now we're just going to smooth it out, get rid of the excess. Make sure it's smooth. Okay. Get the excess off there, so it's smooth, but still covered up. Yep, perfect. Get some more of that off there, smooth it out. Yep, get that. Alright. Looks pretty good. Definitely got it. Real good. Always want to go a little beyond the crack just to help support it. This little spatula does a really good job at smoothing it real smooth. This kit is definitely complete. Got everything you need. Like it. Okay, it's already starting to harden already. Now we're just kind of just pulling it and getting it smoothed out. Looks good already. Okay. Now the owner might want to follow with a whole reglaze too after this. That way it'll be all completely one color. For now we just want to get the leaks taken care of. On that bigger leak I think I'll put a second coat. Just hit it one more time. Make sure it's all filled. This is the one that cracked all the way through here. The other ones are thinking about coming through, so give that another layer. There we go. That's it. So those are all filled in.